Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is just before noon on Wednesday, July the 6th. And this video is more about my mindset and thought process than anything right now. So, as we enter August and we're now past the halfway mark in the year, one of the things I like to do is I like to look at and review my trading goals for the year. And typically, I set out a percentage gain that I'm looking to achieve in the different accounts that I trade in. And I like to see where I'm at and kind of figure out what needs to be done before the end of the year. Think about maybe some tax planning related issues if I'm up and have some gains, and where if I'm not up, maybe I'd take some losses and sell ahead of earnings maybe next quarter or even earnings this quarter if they haven't come out yet. So my typical target range that I look to try to achieve annually is between a gain of 18 and 22% from a capital gain perspective. And I'm at about 17% right now. And I feel as though the market is overvalued. So I've gone to a very conservative, almost 90% cash position, put most of my money into a money market fund in US dollars that earns about 4% right now. And I'm just going to let it sit there. I'm going to make the occasional trade. I traded in and out of Google this morning and made some money on that. But other than the occasional day trade, I'm keeping most of my money in money market and just waiting for what I believe is an inevitable pullback. Now, I may miss some growth in doing that, but I'm also not risking any of the capital or any of the gains that I've achieved. If we can see the market pull back 10 or even 15% and then buy back in, that'll give me a nice little bump to the end of the year. And then I really won't have to worry about trading through to the end of the year because I'll have overachieved on my goals and I'll be in a good position. So that's kind of how I approach things. I hope that helps. And if you like the videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.